How are you? All good? Yeah, just short, we're just going to introduce the Flying Fijians coaching staff to go through to the Rugby World Cup. Obviously, as we said last week, it's a big mission for us to go through there. We've got a lot of things to work on. We really wanted to get the right balance for our coaching staff, so I think we've got that in terms of expertise and cultural-wise. So I think the culture is going to be very big, play a big part of what we're trying to achieve. So without further ado, I'll announce the staff. Okay, obviously myself, head coach. We'll have Glenn Jackson doing attack and backs. We'll have Graham Jews, who will be doing scrum. We'll have Brad Harris, who is with the Drua. He will be doing lineouts and maul. We'll have Daryl Gibson, who's who will be doing defence. And I'd like to introduce Senirusi Seruvakula, who will be doing contact and ruck. Also be looking after the culture, getting that thing right. And Seremaia Bai, who will be doing kicking and skills. So, yep, that's our staff. I think we've got a really good balance in terms of what we're trying to achieve. We've got a good balance of Indigenous Fijians, also with our overseas expertise, and our expertise from overseas have all got experience working with Fiji, so either with the Drua or previously. So, yeah, very excited about the team that we've put together and looking forward to the journey.